everyone, I am Arista Mukherjee going to tell you a story of a little girl who visited her school in her dreams. And here goes the story. The bell rings. Wake up school gate. See who is waiting outside. I think the students have started coming. The main gate says, "Oh, Arista, where were you? Where are your friends? We have been waiting for you and your friends all these months." The main gate opens. Come, I will show you your new classroom. The girl reaches to her new classroom. The duster, the chalk, the board were excited. The bench is getting emotional. Now no one is sitting on me. I am missing the smell of different flavor of food during lunch break. The girl went to the library and the library was completely silent. Then she go to the playground. The playground was very happy to see her. Then the swing comes. Arista, see, I am getting rust. Now I am also missing your laughter and joy. Where are you people? The girl says, "Don't you know? We are doing online classes because of a disease called corona. See, I am wearing a mask. We cannot go outside. I wish coronavirus could go soon and we will meet again." By the time it was morning, her mother woke her up by saying, Arista, wake up. I have a good news. Corona vaccine has come out.